Okay, Proton Wira install Senpai 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen player. Proton socket plug and play. Okay, it's the modified to fix in and keep on the original casing. Okay, it's no change aftermarket 10.1 inch casing. It's fixed by the universal bracket. The side view modified to fix in. Okay, the drawer still can open and off. No block anything. Just the screen is fixed. Original is a 7-inch space. So the Android player car body will fix by bracket, universal bracket, hidden inside. So the screen will fix outside. AHD camera input. Setting TS18. Okay, 8-core processor, Cortex A55, 1.6 GHz. Sound processor AK7604. Okay, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM. Support 48 band DSP with EQ DSP. Medium press. Select the preset channel you want. Full menu. Log in a Gmail in the Play Store. You download app from Play Store. T5 link. Okay, connect your Bluetooth. Then you can use for the CarPlay and Android Auto function. And support steering wheel control, radio FM, music file and USB file, USB video, USB music, Waze, YouTube, Google Maps, all can download from app. A nighttime driving, you can turn off the screen saver. A wrong press anyway to turn it on. Okay. Clear apps, create one by one, or clear all. So this is Senpai 8-core processor, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, QLED screen resolution 1280x720. Modified fixed in by universal bracket for Proton Wira. 10.1 inch QLED, 2.5D glass capacitance touchscreen. For Proton Wira, actually got a 2 OEM casing can fix in for Proton Wira, but this car owner didn't want the casing, he just want to modify to fix it. Okay, just sample for the Proton Wira. If OEM casing is a 9-inch to fix in, the screen won't fix outside. It's same like your you have to change your OEM panel, the casing panel. Okay, this is option 1 casing. Option 2 is 10-inch. That's mean this player will move up from here. From here, this is 10.1 inch. So the original button will move to the bottom. That means switch the place. This you have to change aftermarket OEM 10.1 inch casing. Plug and play socket. This model support for the AHD camera input. Okay, Proton Wira. Installed by OneBeast. Video by Andy. It's got an external Bluetooth microphone, get more clear voice input. 2 USB slot, connect USB pen drive, and a 4G SIM slot. Insert the 4G SIM card, direct online, or connect a phone hotspot 2.4 Wi-Fi network 2.4 or 5G Wi-Fi connect support. Installed by Waze, video by Andy. Senpai Android 464 DSP, 4G and CarPlay. Our shop location in Seri, Kembangan, Balakong, Selangor, Malaysia. Contact us. Thank you.